We hit 10k subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Today we're going to be doing a little something different. I'm going to be baking a cake for you guys. The thing is, I can't bake, but that's going to hopefully make this video a lot more fun. So I'm going to be trying to make a cake. Not just me though, we're going to get some more backup as well. Here's the recipe that I'm going to be using. I found it online. But before we do that, I need to go grab some ingredients because there's a few things I'm going to need for this cake. You guys are coming with me. Also, the weather's beautiful today. Welcome to the kitchen. I had most of the ingredients already. These were just some items that I got in terms of like sprinkles and stuff like that. So I didn't get many. Icing sugar, just because we ran out when I was checking the ingredients. So we're gonna need that. Next, I got black icing. I'm gonna try and use this to write out 10,000 on the cake because it's 10,000 subscriber special, so that's my plan. Sprinkles. Okay, here are the ingredients. There's not many ingredients that are needed. I'm just gonna look at the recipe that I have here on my iPad and we're gonna follow along. First, we need to bake the cake, and then once that's baking, we can move on to frosting and do all that stuff. Hey Siri, what is 350 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
176.67 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so I made one little adjustment as well, just because I don't want to make too much cake. The recipe that I've got here, I'm going to cut everything in half. So instead of having 3¼ cups of cake flour, I'm going to have about slightly more than 1½ cups. And then everything else, I'm just going to cut everything to half. So hopefully we have enough cake, but we don't have too much cake. So let's do that. So I finished with adding everything into a bowl. So next thing I'm going to do is whisk it up. But obviously, because there's quite a few steps here, I'm going to need some backup. So I've got my good friend here. Okay, you're so tall.
Hello, my people.
What the hell?
Oh, sorry.
We can't even see you because of the camera. Yeah, okay.
Hello, my people. The world's biggest eagle.
Okay, let's move that guy out of the way. So the next thing we're doing is we're mixing so I'm gonna whisk. I'm gonna whisk this up now. Okay, this guy's been a very good boy. He's made me get all the proportions and everything because he's a maths student. I don't do maths. I don't know any of that. I lied. Then we're going to use a mixer and do the butter and egg and stuff. But this is genuinely horror, but it's fine.
No. I'm gonna make it good.
Yeah,
right.
shut up.
Okay.
Just pack it up, bro. Just leave. Next thing is to beat the butter and the sugar until it's light and fluffy, and add the eggs. Okay, so we're gonna get a second bowl. Okay, so I can't lie, we needed extra backup. So we already have this guy, but he's a bit useless.
Okay.
So I've got my good friend. Okay, you didn't. Not both of you are blocking me. But yeah. So I've got my good friend Kailas over here. So we're all gonna be cooking together.
How long has it been since I've been on?
Oh yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I think you guys might remember this guy from a few videos back in like school time. I'll put some clips here in case you've forgotten. This is the same guy. So what we've done so far, right, is we've mixed the sugar and the butter together. But we haven't. We're going to. But the thing is, we don't have a electric mixer, so we're gonna have to do this by hand. So I'll let my slaves take over for me. So
Okay,
Why are you saying to slaves?
yeah, you're meant to object to that. You weren't meant to know. Yeah, exactly.
No, don't worry. It looks good, to be fair.
Add the flour mixture in 3 portions, alternating with 2 portions of milk. Okay, this is a bit confusing now. I'm gonna quarter it, but if we half that, about like 75%, right? No, a bit less than that, slightly above half. So we're gonna have like a 1/4 cup first, and then second portion another 1/4 cup. Crazy. I've never baked or anything in my life, and now I've got this actual mixture.
I saw you've baked.
I've baked jam tarts before.
No, I saw you made carrot cake or something.
Oh yeah, I made carrot
you have
cake.
baked,
Yeah.
yeah.
I forgot. I made carrot cake before. I've made cookie dough as well before once as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But still, okay. So a little update. We've got the cake batter here. So this is all perfect now. This is done. At the back, we've got the frosting being made. How's that coming along? It doesn't look very liquidy though, that's the problem. That's fine. We'll figure it out, so it's calm. Next stage is I'm gonna pour this into the tray. Everything's going well, which is really weird because nothing usually goes well when I'm cooking, but it's fine. I'm happy. It's all going good. It's because I have these guys with me.
Sorry.
Guys, I need to show you something.
Try some.
Oh, of the frosting.
So nice. It's good.
Yeah, so look at our frosting now. I'm actually really excited. So we've got our batter here, we've got our frosting here. So I think next thing we should do...
Oh, this looks nice, Parmesan, aged 12 months.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this to the baking tray. So we don't have any parchment paper at the moment, but this should be fine.
We even it out from all corners.
don't think I need this big of a baking tray for all of this, do I? It's gonna be really thin.
Yeah, that's
I think that's lovely.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Genuinely, I think a bit of texture is good.
Yeah. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put this in the oven. Okay, so as you know, cooking isn't my strongest aspect. I don't do enough of it. The thing about cooking is that it's a skill. Just like how your study habits is a skill, your ability to take photos is a skill. All these things are different skills. And if you want to learn how to get better at these skills, you need to be able to practice them. So you need some place where you can firstly learn how to perform those skills and then be able to put them in the real world. So that's where Skillshare, the sponsor of today's video, comes in. So if you haven't heard me talking about Skillshare before, you can learn all sorts of different skills through Skillshare. There's loads of different online classes ranging from cooking, as we're doing right here, to film, design, photography. Anything you want to learn, go to Skillshare.com and you'll find something there that works for you. Whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, you can find something that's perfect for your skill level. And my favorite part about it is that it's on demand. You can do it whenever you want. So if you want to do an entire course all in one day, you just want to binge it, you can do that. Or if you want to take it easy, you want to do a tiny bit each day and just slowly develop that habit and develop that skill, you can do that as well. So it really depends on your learning style, and whatever your learning style is, Skillshare is suited for you. And it uses evidence-based techniques to help make sure that you learn that skill and you are able to develop that skill and perform that skill, which is the most important part. So what are you waiting for? If you have a skill that you've always wanted to learn, or you've got something right now that you're developing, whether it's a business, anything like that, you can go to Skillshare and develop these skills using the link down below in the description. And as a bonus, the first 500 of you guys to click this link down below will get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So hurry up, click that link as soon as you can and get your free month, and let's get back to the cooking. We've made some good progress on the cake so far. It needs to be in for about 15 more minutes, but it smells so lovely, so I'm very happy. Okay guys, I've taken out the cake from the oven.
Whoops.
It looks really nice and it smells really nice as well. So the next step is to add some of this frosting on top, and then we'll do some decorating. Okay, so this is cooled now, the cake is cooled. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the frosting on, but I didn't make enough frosting, so I'm gonna have to try and spread this along, but it's not gonna be enough. So I'll try my best. I tried my best with
I guess you would have been with me, but that's
the limited ingredients that I've had, but now I need to add some more sprinkles and stuff, and then we're done. Okay guys, we finished decorating the cake. Let me show you the beauty that we've made. Look at that. Okay, before you guys laugh, okay, this is 10k. We put some sprinkles around it. Yeah, 10k. Thank you guys so much. Guys, what do you think? I've separated it out into slices. Next thing to do now is to taste test. Taste test the cake now. I've actually got a bit of the number in it as well, so I've got a bit of the icing. Yeah, okay, I think we should taste it now.
Alright, yeah. Oi!
good.
That's genuinely good.
What the hell? Why is that good?
It's actually crunchy as well.
Yeah.
This bangs. This genuinely bangs. I could never think that I'd make something like this.
Like a biscuit.
It is. It tastes more like a biscuit than a cake.
I can't. That's actually so beautiful. All because of you, bro. It was all you.
No.
Right.
It was all of us.
Joint effort, bro.
Yeah. That was the 10k special. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing from the very beginning. Especially if you were one of the early ones, like these two here. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say.
Road to 1
Like
million.
and subscribe. Yeah, road to 1 million. Road to 1 million. 1 million. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and see you next week.